So this month's Quack Pack is really cool and near and dear to our hearts because it's the sculpting edition.
One. So I've never even gotten a Quack Pack before. I've never gotten one, but when I saw it was sculpting, I was like, okay, gotta get this one.
Yeah.
So this is actually my first time even going through a Quack Pack in general.
Nice.
So
I usually do an unboxing on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see previous ones, my socials are linked in the description, so you can see previous ones. But yeah, I can't wait to see it. I haven't seen it.
All right. So this is the sculpting one for April. So it has a nice little list of everything that is included, which is nice.
And Jason and Sarah usually Jason does a tutorial on the supplies that are in the Quack Pack. There's a QR code that is included. And he usually does like a general tutorial of a craft that you can make with everything that's in the Quack Pack. You can follow that tutorial or you can go rogue and do something different. I usually go rogue. Dude. It always has a lanyard.
But look at it.
Oh my gosh, it's sculpting tools. That's awesome.
Is that?
That's awesome. It always has a, like lanyard with a season pass on it.
This might have to replace my Harry Potter one for my keys. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. So we've got 3 glitters here. Pull those out. So this is Gloria. It's a nice
that's
purple.
really pretty.
Kind of matches my microphone. And then we've got Ruby Tuesday. I used to work at Ruby Tuesday once upon a time.
Really? I didn't know that.
Back in the day. All right. And then Fairest Opal of them all.
Oh, that's one of my favorite opal glitters. I use that one a lot.
Okay.
No, I was going to say that's what's on here, but no, it's not. This is Flurry.
So we have a little acrylic blank for a keychain.
Yep.
We have our magnet. Look at how cute that is.
Ah, he's so cute. He's sculpting.
I love that so much. That's so cute. Okay.
Sculpting and chill. That's awesome.
I love this. That's so funny. Okay. And then let's see, this is sculpting tool set. So this can go on a little case.
Perfect.
Here's our ASMR. There's your ASMR right there.
There you go.
So a little case for the tools.
So right now they're doing like a promo thing. It's kind of like bingo, and you collect.
Like an NFC.
So that's an NFT tag. That's different.
That's right. That's what they're called.
That's for your keychain.
Okay.
That doesn't go with your card.
Got it. Okay.
Your card thing is like it's kind of like bingo, and so like each month
I've got my A.
Letter.
I've got my A.
Yes. So each month you're going to get a new letter.
Yeah, and then we have a little stir stick.
Yeah.
A little pen.
Yes, each month you get a pen.
I love that little design so much. That's so
yes,
cool.
you can put it on your lanyard.
Oh my
Should
gosh.
be decals. Right?
Decals. Sculpt your reality with positivity. See the masterpiece of your life emerge. Make sure it's there. Sculptor, the most wasted of days is one without sculpting. Sculpting. What does that say? Oh, for mode on. So they're like sculpting decals. Nice. That's so cute. Jalen's gonna love this one.
Yes.
Yes.
Our friend Jalen, she has made the astronaut, and she has made a rocket before.
Yep. She'll like that. And then more of like a mental health one. Self-care is not selfish. Continue. And the stigma, mental health awareness. And may we wear green.
I was just going to say, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Yep. So perfect.
And now we get to the best part. Okay, so there's a box for tools. So there's a little pack of different ball tools and different texturizing tools.
Oh, very cool.
Lots of little ones.
Lots of tools.
Yeah. This one right here would be good for scales. Here, let me just pull these out. What am I doing?
Yeah.
What am I doing? Let's get those out of there. Okay. See, we have some different ball tools. Different ones that can create different lines and textures. This one would be good for scales.
Perfect for scales, yeah.
Lots of different ones. Lots and lots of different ones. And then their newest product coming out.
Clay.
Polymer clay. So let's
Polymer clay. Some of those tips that we told you about in the beginning of the podcast.
So easy to condition, soften to bake, bake solid in oven. Here's the interesting part, though. At the bottom, it says 250 for 15 minutes per quarter inch. Okay. So a little different baking instructions on here.
Than Sculpey. So always read instructions.
So I will be doing 250 because that's what my manufacturer told me to do. So I feel it. Oh, it's got glitter all over it. But that's okay because I get glitter in my clay anyway, so it doesn't matter.
That's right. And clay bakes from the inside out, and that's why you want to bake it for a little bit longer than we say. We always overestimate our time.
Yeah. We always tack on like an extra 10 or 15 to be safe.
Yeah, I do too.
I got it.
I do too. Over baking it a little bit is better than under baking it because it will strengthen those polymer bonds, and so your piece will be stronger. Versus if you underbake it, it will be not as strong. Just shake it out. Oh, are you working it? How does it feel?
It's definitely softer, but
like Sculpey 3 softness.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I feel like it's not as soft as Sculpey 3.
Okay.
Like it's taking a bit more to squeeze it a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit more. It's definitely a fingerprint one because it's softer. So you will have to take like some rubbing alcohol to smooth out your fingerprints afterwards. But I feel like this is almost the right kind of like firmness that I like for faces and stuff. Mm-hmm. I kind of like softer faces, but this is I feel like it's slightly firmer than Sculpey 3. So I like that.
Okay. Yeah, because Sculpey 3 can be a little bit soft for my liking.
Yeah, you might like this then. It's kind of like it's kind of in the middle.
Between Super Sculpey and Sculpey 3?
Yeah, maybe kind of right in between there. Because like I've been working this for a minute and it's still taking a little bit to kind of squish it. It's like it's maybe slightly more towards 3.
Sure.
If anything, but it is slightly firmer though, I feel like.
Awesome. Well, awesome. Well, thank you.
I had to play with it.
Thanks for unboxing that. Thanks to the Glitter Guy for sending us the Quack Pack and vinyl. We super appreciate it.
We're making something with it.
Yes. Check me and Kelly out in the Glitter Guy. We will be going live throughout the months coming up, and we hope to be there more and trying out these different products. So check us out.
At first I thought you were about to say like we're gonna be going live here in 20 minutes. I'm like, honey, this airs like
I know, that's why I'm not saying that.
I thought you were about to say. I was like, wait a minute.
No. That's why I said later.